You two are gonna be my co-pilots. Don't try anything funny. The gun will be pointed at you the whole time. Now press the unlock button on the door.
Are you serious?
You don't have much options at this point.
Well, I'm really turned off from flying right now.
If we die, I'm gonna kick your ass all the way to hell.
Is it okay if I help?
You're pretty fast, Mr. Flash Gordon. If we don't complete this mission, we will all be in hell.
The villain.